Let's do a tour of just literally unpacking this. This is, I've never opened up one of these kits, so you're seeing it for the first time, as am I. Okay, so bit accessories, quick change tool, obviously a 2 1/8 multi-spur bit, high-speed steel. This is going to be an 1.5 inch multi-spur bit, high-speed steel. Your 1 inch spade bit, that doesn't fit in there very elegantly. Brass bushing. That's certainly going to be a locator, a strike locator. Another bushing. So this is clearly just a tackle box. I'm no fisherman, but this is a tackle box, which is a great use for this. Let's put this all aside. Okay, instructions. Very typical, very common that they will give you a really great instruction pamphlet. Different accessories, which I will investigate, some Allen wrenches. Setting pins, marking tools. Obviously a deadbolt strike marking tool. Latch bolt marking tool. These are, they call them back out plates, but these are used when you are drilling different diameter holes. You would need 2 of each because they go on either side. Here is a full lip strike marking tool. And here's the business end. This is certainly going to allow us to do sorry. Whoop. I apologize for the jumbling of that. This is certainly going to allow us to do 5 inch, 2 3/8, 2 3/4, 1.5 inch diameter holes, 2 1/8 inch diameter holes. The full version video of this is going to go through exactly how to use this. So let's do that now.